This is our famous Hooligan Juice that we make for our events. It's a secret recipe, so we're not going to show you everything, but we're going to start by pouring some rum. So Don, let's put some rum. The recipe is rum, 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 and rum. So turn it upside down, Don. We've got to get it mixed up good. Yeah, that's it. All right, maybe another one. Rum, rum. Yep. So that's rum, rum. Another one, Don. When in doubt, add rum. All right, now what we're going to need is 2 pineapples. Okay, so Craig, and one more. All right, let me give it a stir. More rum. Yes. Well, now we're going to do 2 more. We need 2 orange next.
Orange.
Okay. 2 orange juice.
There's the first.
Let me test it. Coco Lopez. We need Coco Lopez now. This is very, very sensitive mixture, this. More rum. We're going to need 1 more pineapple, Craig. So 1 pineapple, 1 orange, and 1 Coco Lopez. And then Estelle will put the magic finishing touches.
Yeah, we can't divulge what spice we're using here.
So now we're going to put the magic powder in. There we go. Where's the ice? Do we have ice?
Perfect, perfect.
Check your work. Good. Craig? Okay.
My goodness, this is like having a cup of rum for breakfast.
And so we're going to test our rum.
Save water, drink Hooligan Juice.
Cheers to the Hooligan Juice.
Cheers.
We're now going to take it and distribute it amongst all our people.